So the next one I hear you say is, how do I get my customers into the draw to win one of these prizes? Well, it's quite simple. We draw the prize in December every year. So in November, we just need you to send an Excel spreadsheet with all your customers' names in one column. That's it. If you are a legal firm or somebody that doesn't want to reveal your customers' names because there's privacy issues or something like that, what you can do is just code them. So like, let's say it was TBL 001, TBL 002, blah, 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 blah. And you hold the master list of who that correlates to. And if TBL 00 or TBL 222 wins it, I just go to my spreadsheet, I go, TBL 222 was Edward Plant, and I won. So we can do that as well. We don't need the names for any other reason than to identify who the winner is. And so all you have to do is send that Excel spreadsheet through to concierge at the Business League. We'll collate it and we'll draw it live in December. So it's as simple as that. So don't start sending us your details in June, because it'll change by December, hopefully, because you'll get more customers. But so in November, send us through the list of your customers who've done business, and go from there. Listen, we don't get into the nitty-pitty of should this person be on it or should they not. It's your call. The intent is that they have done a financial transaction with you and are your customers, and this is a way for you to reward them. So if that's the case, put them in the list, submit it, and fingers crossed one of your customers wins.